In this video, I'll show you how to download and install eFootball on both iPhone and Android. First, let's start with iPhone. Open the App Store and search for eFootball. Make sure the developer is Konami, then tap Get and wait for the game to install. eFootball currently requires iOS 15 or later and around 3.3 gigabytes of storage, so make sure you have enough free space. For Android, open the Google Play Store and search for eFootball. Select the official app from Konami, tap Install, and wait for the download to finish. Konami lists Android 7.0 or higher, at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 64-bit ARM-based quad-core processor as the minimum requirements. After installation, open eFootball, download any additional game data, and complete the setup. I recommend using Wi-Fi because the game and updates can require a significant amount of data, and that's how you can safely download and install eFootball on iPhone and Android. Avoid unofficial APKs or modified versions. Use the official App Store or Google Play Store.